Hello viewers, in this video I'll start with the next topic of Unit 1, and it is also the first topic in Chapter 3 Quantitative Aptitude, which is averages. Here we will see the meaning of average, and I'll also solve the questions from exercise 3.1 of Chapter 3 Quantitative Aptitude from the book Applied Mathematics Class 11 by Aggarwal. So first we will see what are averages. If we have n observations, say x1, x2 up to etc. xn, then the average of those n observations x1, x2 up to etc. xn is defined as average is equal to the sum of all these observations x1 plus x2 plus up to etc. plus xn divided by n, or in other words, average is equal to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Now from this we can find the sum of all observations. It is given by, if we cross multiply, we get sum of all observations is equal to average into number of observations. So these are the two relations that we have to remember. Average is equal to sum of all observations upon number of observations, and from this we can find the sum of all observations as average into number of observations. We'll start with solving the questions. These are the questions from exercise 3.1. The first question, find the mean of first 12 natural numbers. Now we know what are the first 12 natural numbers. We have to find the mean of those 12 natural numbers. So the mean of first 12 natural numbers is given by the sum of those 12 natural numbers divided by 12. So the sum of first 12 natural numbers, it is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 divided by 12. That is the number of observations. We know that the sum of first n natural numbers is given by n into n plus 1 by 2. Here we need to know the sum of first 12 natural numbers. So it is 12 into 12 plus 1 by 2, or this is equal to 6 into 13. So this sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to etc. 12 is nothing but it is 6 into 13. So this is equal to 6 into 13 upon 12. So this is nothing but it is equal to 6.5. So the mean of first 12 natural numbers is equal to 6.5. Next question, find the average of first 7 odd prime numbers. So we have to see the first 7 odd prime numbers and then we have to find the average. So we know the 7 odd prime numbers, first 7 odd prime numbers 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So the average of these 7 odd prime numbers will be the sum of all these numbers upon 7. So it is 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 plus 13 plus 17 plus 19 upon 7. Or this is equal to, when we add all these we get 75. So it is 75 upon 7, or we can write this as a mixed fraction as 10 5 by 7. Next question, find the mean of positive factors of 24. So first we will find the positive factors of 24. The positive factors of 24 are, so we can write 24 as 1 into 24, then we can write it as 2 into 12, then we can write it as 3 into 8, and then we can write it as 4 into 6. So these are the positive factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So the mean of these positive factors of 24 will be the sum of all these divided by 8. So this is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 12 plus 24 upon 8. So when we add all these, we will get 60 by 8. So let us try in 4. So it is 15 by 2. This is equal to 7.5. So the mean of positive factors of 24 is equal to 7.5. Next question, 5 people were asked about the time in a week they spent in doing social work in their community. They replied 10, 7, 13, 20 and 15 hours respectively. Find the average time in a week devoted by them for social work. So 5 people were doing social work and they were asked the time they spend in a week for doing social work. So we have to find the average time in a week devoted by them for social work. So it is nothing but we have to add all these divided by 5. So the average time in a week devoted by them for social work will be the sum of these divided by 5. So it is equal to 10 plus 7 plus 13 plus 20 plus 15 upon 5. So this is equal to, when we add all these, we get 65. 65 upon 5 is equal to 13 hours. The next question, the mean of 6 observations is 17.5. If 5 of them are 14, 9, 23, 25 and 10, find the 6th observation. So it is given the mean of 6 observations is 17.5 and 5 of the observations are given. We have to find the 6th observation. So first let us take, let the 6th observation be x and it is given mean of 6 observations is equal to 17.5. So mean of 6 observations is equal to 17.5 means the sum of all these 14, 9, 23, 25, 10 and x is 17.5. So this implies the sum of all these upon 6 is equal to 17.5. So 14 plus 9 plus 23 plus 25 plus 10 plus x upon 6 is equal to 17.5. So when we add all these 5 observations, we get 81. So 81 plus x is equal to, we can take the 6 to the other side. So it is 17.5 into 6, which is 105. So from this we get x is equal to 105 minus 81. This is equal to 24. So the 6th observation is 24. The next question, the average of 25 observations is 27. If one observation is included, the average still remains 27. Find the included observation. So here it is given the average of 25 observations is 27 and when one more observation is included, the average still remains as 27. So after including one more observation, that is the average of 26 observations is also 27. So we have to find the included observation. So first let us take sum of 25 observations. If the average of 25 observations is 27, then the sum of 25 observations will be 25 into 27. So this is 25 into 27. And let the included observation be x. After including this x, the average still remains 27. So here it is given the new mean of 26 observations is equal to 27. So this mean of 26 observation is nothing but it is the sum of 25 observations. Then we have to add this x upon 26 is equal to 27. So the mean of 26 observation is nothing but the sum of the 25 observations. So 25 into 27 then plus the 26th observation x upon 26 is equal to 27. So from this we get 25 into 27 plus x is equal to 26 into 27. So when we cross multiply we get this is equal to 26 into 27. So x is equal to 26 into 27 minus 25 into 27, or it is equal to 27 into 26 minus 25, which is 1. So x is equal to 27. The next question, the following are the weights in kg of 8 students in a class. So these are the weights in kg of 8 students: 50, 44.5, 48.7, 45.1, 50.4, 43, 51, 49.3. Then we have to find the average weight. Then the second subdivision is, if the teacher whose weight is 62 is also included, then what will be the average weight? So we have to find the average weight of these 8 students. That is very easy. Add all these and divide by 8, we will get the average weight. Then the next subdivision is, if the teacher whose weight is included, then we have to find the new average weight. So the average weight is nothing but it is the sum of all these upon 8. So when we add all these 50, 44.5, 48.7, 45.1, 50.4, 43, then plus 51 plus 49.3, when we add all these, we get 382. So 382 upon 8. So this is equal to 47.75 kg. Now, if the teacher whose weight is 62 is also included, then the new average weight will be the sum of all these weights plus 62 upon 9. So the sum of all these weights is nothing but it is 382. So 382 plus the weight of the teacher is 62. So this is the new sum of observations upon the new number of observations. Here the teacher's weight is also included. So to the existing 8 students, we have one more observation. So it is divided by 9. So this is equal to 444 upon 9, goes in 3. So it is 148 upon 3. Let us write this as a mixed fraction. So it is 49 1 by 3 kg. Next question, the average height of 10 students is 151.8 centimeter. 2 more students of heights 157.6 centimeter and 154.4 centimeter join the group. What is the new average height? So here it is given the average height of 10 students is 151.8. Then 2 more students of the heights are added to this group. Now we have to find the new average height. So first we will find the sum of heights of the 10 students. Since the average height of 10 students is 151.8, the sum of their heights will be 10 into average of their heights. So this is equal to 10 into 151.8. So it is 1518 centimeter. Now two more students of heights 157.6 and 154.4 centimeter join the group. So the new average height of 12 students will be the sum of the heights of 10 students plus these two heights upon 12. So it is 1518 plus 157.6 plus 154.4 divided by 12. So this is equal to, when we add, we get 1830 divided by 12. So this comes to 152.5 centimeter. The next question, the mean marks of boys and girls in an examination are 70 and 73 respectively. If the mean marks of all the students in the examination is 71, find the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls. So they have given the mean marks of boys is 70 and mean marks of girls is 73 in an examination. The mean marks of all the students is 71. We have to find the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls. So let us take, let number of boys be x and number of girls be y. Then if the mean marks of boys is 70, then the sum of marks of boys will be 70 into number of boys. So it is 70x. Then the sum of marks of girls will be, it is given mean marks of girls is 73. So sum of marks of girls will be 73 into number of girls. So it is 73y. Then it is given mean marks of all the students is 71. So sum of marks of all the students will be 71 into x plus y. Now this sum of marks of all the students is nothing but it is 70x plus 73y. So this implies 70x plus 73y equal to 71x plus 71y. So let us take x in one side and y in the other side. So 73y minus 71y, it will be 2y equal to 71x minus 70x is x. So they have asked ratio of number of boys to the number of girls. So they have asked x is to y. So from this we can see that x by y equal to 2 or x is to y. This is 2 by 1. X is to y is equal to 2 is to 1. So the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls is 2 is to 1. The next question, the average age of 3 students Vijay, Rahul and Rakhi is 15 years. If their ages are in the ratio 4 is to 5 is to 6 respectively, find their ages. So let us take, let the age of Vijay, Rahul and Rakhi be 4x, 5x and 6x respectively. Since it is given their ages are in the ratio 4 is to 5 is to 6. Now sum of their ages is, it is given the average age of these 3 students is 15 years. So sum of their ages will be 15 into 3. Now this sum is equal to 4x plus 5x plus 6x. So this implies 4x plus 5x plus 6x equal to 15 into 3 is 45. So 15x is equal to 45 or x is equal to 45 upon 15, which is equal to 3. Now we know x, so we can find the age of Vijay, Rahul and Rakhi. Age of Vijay will be 4 into x, that is 4 into 3, 12. So Vijay's age will be 4x, so it is 4 into 3. So it is 12 years. Then Rahul's age will be 5x. X is 3. So 5 into 3, 15 years. And finally, we have taken Rakhi's age as 6 into x. So 6 into 3, 18 years. Rakhi's age is 6 into 3 equal to 18 years. The next question, the average of 19 observations is 54. If the average of first 10 observations is 56 and that of last 10 observations is 53, find the 10th observation. So it is given the average of 19 observations is 54 and then the average of first 10 observations is 56 and last 10 is 53. We have to find the 10th observation. So from this average of 19 observation, we can find the sum of 19 observation. So sum of 19 observations will be 19 into 54. So this will be 19 into 54. So this is equal to 1026. Then it is given the average of first 10 observations is 56. So the sum of first 10 observations will be 10 into 56. So it is 560. Then it is given average of last 10 observations is 53. So the sum of last 10 observations will be 10 into 53. So it is 530. Now we are asked to find the 10th observation. So if we have the observation say 1, 2, 3, then 9, 10, then we have 19, then 11, 12, 19. So here it is given the sum of the first 10 is 560 and the sum of last 10 is 530. Now to find the 10th observation, if we add the first 10, then the last 10 and subtract this, that is the sum of all these observations, we will be able to find the 10th observation. So the 10th observation is nothing but it is the sum of 560 and 530 minus 1026. So the 10th observation is 560 plus 530 minus 1026. So this is equal to 1090 minus 1026. So it is 64. So the 10th observation is 64. Next question, average of 9 observations was found to be 35. Later on it was detected that an observation 81 was misread as 18. Find the correct average. So here it is given average of 9 observation was found to be 35, but later on it was found that instead of writing 81, the observation was read as 18. So we have to find the correct average. So first let us find the incorrect sum of observations. Incorrect sum of observations will be 9 into 35. So it is 9 into 35. So it is 315. Now the correct sum of observations will be, if we want to find the correct sum of observation, we have to add the correct observation and subtract the wrong observation to this incorrect sum. So this is the incorrect sum. We have to add the correct observation, which is 81, and subtract the wrong value, which is 18. So the correct sum of observation will be 315 plus 81 minus 18. So it is 378. Now the correct average of these 9 observations will be the correct sum divided by 9. So this is equal to 42. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.